going to leave it at that for this spot. Probably hang here for another 15 minutes and head off to the glacier. Alright, so we just made it out of the windstorm and rainstorm. Our waterfall got pretty hectic, as I'm sure you could tell. We are rushing right now because we're late, but Danny organized a glacier walk climb or something. So it should be pretty sick. I think he did it one time he was here, and we're gonna have like ice axes, crampons, and all this stuff. So it sounds awesome, but we don't really know what to expect. We also have Alex. I haven't seen him yet, but he lives in Iceland. He's been hanging out with us for the 2 days we've been here, and I think for a few more days, right? Yeah, awesome. So we're out at this glacier, and he's getting a shot of me from the distance. Cold, wet. This is freaking awesome. We got crampons on, we're heading out. Out here, Danny's wrapping up some last minute drone shots. Jack's Mavic. We're all pretty freezing. We're gonna call it a day on that one, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one.